Hello all, this is Ashwin again. Welcome to my image processing tutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to acquire the images for our image processing and computer vision practicals. So many times we are going to need the image datasets while writing the code for our image processing as well as computer vision programs. So there are actually a couple of websites from which you can acquire the images. So let us visit those websites. The first website is imageprocessingplace.com. So there you can find an image database which can be used for your computer vision applications. So this is the website. So in case you are wondering where to find the links from, I have included the links in the description of this video. So let's go through this database. So there is actually a very famous book on computer vision and image processing, that is Gonzalez and Woods. So you can actually find all the dataset, image dataset that has been used in that book here. Okay, so for the third edition as well as the second edition, you can find it here, as well as there are many standard image sets. So the most heavily used image set is the standard test images. So where you can find actually all the required images. So let's download this image. It will take quite a while, like probably a minute. So you can find actually so many data sets here. You can even find the microscopic images, you can find the NASA images, you can actually even find the aircraft images, a pedestrian detection database, and a lot of data sets you will find here. So let us actually have a look at the dataset that we just have downloaded. So this is the dataset, standard test images. So we are actually going to use this dataset in our computer vision practicals. Okay, so let's extract. So let us extract it and let's say okay. So this is the standard dataset. So we can actually have a look at it. So all these images are used actually for demonstrating various computer vision algorithms and programs. So this is the first database. The other database is from cp.usc. The other online database under discussion is the CP database. So let's have a look at what it has got to offer. Okay, so this is known as CP image database. You can actually find a lot of data sets here. So the first dataset consists of various textures. Second has various like aerial shots. There are like miscellaneous images and then sequences. Okay, so we can actually have a look at miscellaneous images. So you can actually download this in zip format. Let's download it. It will take like a couple of minutes. Okay, it seems that the download is complete. Now let's explore the dataset. So let us extract this this zip file. So just say let's extract files and say okay. So now it will create a directory known as MISC, and let's have a look at the dataset. It seems that the dataset consists of the files with extension TIFF, and they seem to be 512 by 512 and 256 by 256 resolution images. Essentially same as the earlier dataset, but we have like couple of additional images. So you can use all these images for any one of your digital image processing practicals. So you can find the links in the description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on the same topic. Have a nice day.